Hey, happy Monday, everybody. Shaun coming at you from High Level. So this is a really awesome addition, in my opinion, to the AI Builder. We are announcing version history. That's right, the Workflow AI Builder now tracks every iteration it creates. Each AI build or edit drops an artifact card in the chat, and you can restore any of them in one click. Nothing the AI touches is lost. So basically, on the artifact card, for every AI iteration, there's kind of a little animation in the back playing, trying to show you this. Every build produces a card in line in the chat. Right where it happened. There's a current version indicator. You can do on 3 dots. You can do a one-click restore to that version. It's bidirectional and non-destructive, so restoring to an older version or older iteration keeps the newer one, which is cool. So you can jump back and forth. Pretty amazing. Unsaved indicator. If the autosave is off, for your location cards, show as unsaved until you actually save manually. So it's never shown obviously if the autosave is on. And we sync the version history. So show in version history takes you straight to the version history tab, or AI and manual versions sit kind of as a unified timeline. So if AI makes a change or you make the change, you can also see it all at the same time. So this is a really awesome update. Great job to the team for making all this happen. There's a change log as always. So on that note, I hope you're having an amazing Monday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.